team general vakomana vanosapota VP Kosano Chiwenga vauya vachivava vachidya marasha. Panguva inoyi kuri kuonekwa kunzi VP Kosano Chiwenga aiwa vanhu vari kuzviona kuti aiwa maybe he might be captured after circulator that flyer ramunoona reMadebeleni business dinner. We have also produced my videos yesterday about this dinner. But panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi there are some comments ari kubva kune masupporters VP Kosano Chiwenga. Sanabena mashuka anobuda nyongwa ayo in detail. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Then Emmanuel poster this poster ramuri kuona irobuda nyongwa chiti unpacking the logic bankruptcies in the Operation Revive ED 2030 gang. Trigananda are very foolish. How can they connive to ambush the whole gigantic general to such a subversive event, which is obnoxious and undermines government credibility? Ministers can be invited as guests, yet Trigananda are the guest of honor. General attending such an insulting event would be undermining himself and the cabinet ministers. Ministers are appointed by the president and are in no way subservient to criminals misconducting as advisors. What rank madness is this that defeats the protocol and state hierarchy? General is a trained soldier who understands the state government structures and would never partake in these desperate moves by scrupulous elements who are a threat to the national security. They have grown too big for their boots and should know the day of reckoning is fast approaching. #bataimazwi Tomashkwana mudaita kwa Lini Empangwa ine achiti aiwa general anofana kuattenda this event. Noda kuti iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa this event instead yekuti speakers kana guest of honors aiwa vave ministers akapoindwa nemutungamiri wenyika, vari kuri kuonekwa kunzi kune vanhu vari kuonekwa kunzi mune zvigananda zvirimo imomo. Panguva inoyi zviri kuva panapa zvinyatso kuonekwa kunzi zviri kunyatso undermine aiwa the progress of our country. Panguva inoyi pamwe chete nemakosi agenerali ekuenda against the vision 2030. Mbudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pekujamuka kuita team general. Mnangagwa section yetu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like chete on the bell icon.